Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to appear offline in your Epic Games account. First, you must download and install Epic Games in your device. I mean Epic Games Launcher in your device, whether you're using your mobile phone or your PC. After installing it, open the application and then navigate in your application until you see the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Click this profile icon and then click the settings here. When you open settings, you will see the Preferences tab. Below the Preferences tab is the Enable Offline Mode Browsing, so make sure to check this. And after checking it, that's it. You will now appear as an offline user in your Epic Games account. And that is how you can appear offline in Epic Games, and thank you for listening.